Hey there, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we've got 40 noun versus pronoun quiz challenge to test your grammar skills. Can you tell the difference? Let's see if you can ace it. 1. Which word is an example of a possessive pronoun? Yours. Tips: possessive pronouns show ownership. 2. What is the noun in the sentence? The dog barked loudly. Dog. Tips: the subject of the sentence is a noun. 3. What is the pronoun in the sentence? He is going to the market. He. Tips: pronouns stand in place of nouns. 4. What is the noun in the sentence? The children are playing outside. Children. Tips: the subject is usually a noun. 5. What is the pronoun in this sentence? They went to the park. They. Tips: pronouns take the place of nouns. 6th. Which sentence contains a personal pronoun? She went to the store. Tips: personal pronouns represent people or things. 7. What is the noun in the sentence? I like to eat pizza. Pizza. Tips: the object of the sentence is typically a noun. 8. What is the pronoun in the sentence? It is raining outside. It. Tips: pronouns replace nouns in sentences. 9. Identify the noun in the sentence. The cat is sleeping. Cat. Tips: a noun refers to a person, place, or thing. 10. What is the function of a pronoun in a sentence? To replace a noun. Tips: pronouns help avoid repetition of nouns. 11th. In the sentence, she loves reading, what is she? Pronoun. Tips: a pronoun takes the place of a noun in a sentence. 12. Choose the correct pronoun to replace the noun. The teacher gave the book to Tom. He. Tips: pronouns replace nouns to avoid repetition. 13. What is the noun in the sentence? I found a coin on the street. Coin. Tips: nouns are often the subjects or objects in a sentence. 14. Which word is a pronoun in the sentence? They are going to the store. They. Tips: pronouns often refer to people or things already mentioned. 15. Which of the following is an example of a possessive pronoun? Hers. Tips: possessive pronouns show ownership. 16th. In the sentence, the children are playing outside, what is children? Noun. Tips: nouns can be people, places, things, or ideas. 17. What type of word is it in the sentence, it is raining? Pronoun. Tips: pronouns can stand for objects or animals. 18. Which sentence uses a pronoun correctly? She is playing soccer. Tips: pronouns should match the subject of the sentence. 19th. Which sentence correctly uses a pronoun? He went to the park. Tips: he is the correct subject pronoun. 20. What is the noun in the sentence, John loves to read? John. Tips: a noun is a person, place, or thing, often the subject. 21. Which word is a pronoun in the sentence, they went to the party? They. Tips: pronouns replace people or things already mentioned. 22. Identify the possessive pronoun in this sentence, this is hers. Hers. Tips: possessive pronouns indicate something belongs to someone. 23rd. In the sentence, the teacher gave me the book, what is me? Pronoun. Tips: me is a personal pronoun in the object form. 24. What is the function of a noun in a sentence? To name a person, place, thing, or idea. Tips: nouns serve as the subject or object of a sentence. 25. Which of the following sentences uses a pronoun correctly? It is very cold outside. Tips: pronouns replace nouns without changing the meaning. 26. Which of the following is a demonstrative pronoun? This. Tips: demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, those, point to specific things or people. 27. What type of pronoun is yourself in the sentence, you should be proud of yourself? Reflexive pronoun. Tips: reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. 28. Which sentence uses an interrogative pronoun? Who is coming to the party? Tips: interrogative pronouns, who, whom, which, what, are used to ask questions. 29. Which sentence contains a possessive pronoun? That book is mine. Tips: possessive pronouns, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, show ownership. 30. What is the noun in the sentence, the cat slept peacefully? Cat. Tips: a noun represents a person, place, thing, or idea. 31. Which word is a pronoun in the sentence, she is reading a book? She. Tips: a pronoun replaces a noun. 32. Choose the pronoun, John loves his dog. His. Tips: pronouns are used to replace nouns to avoid repetition. 33. Which one is a noun in the sentence, they went to the store? Store. Tips: nouns often name places, people, or things. 34. Identify the pronoun, it was raining heavily. It. Tips: pronouns can represent things or animals. 35. Which word is a noun in the sentence, the teacher explained the lesson? Teacher. Tips: nouns can refer to people or professions. 36. Select the correct pronoun, the book is mine. Mine. Tips: possessive pronouns show ownership. 37. Which word is a pronoun in the dog barked at me? Me. Tips: me is a personal pronoun. 38. Find the noun in she gave a speech at the event. Speech. Tips: nouns can refer to actions, ideas, or things. 39. Identify the pronoun, they enjoyed the movie. They. Tips: pronouns often replace the names of people or things. 40. Choose the noun, he walked to the park. Park. Tips: a noun can refer to places like parks. How did you do? Share your score in the comments, smash that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more grammar challenges. Keep learning, see you in the next video.